What up, Smart Rapper family? Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to go into Pro Tools, I'm going to record, I'm going to show you how to actually properly add ad-libs into a song. Super stupid easy. I'm going to show you the right thing to do, how to do it, how to set them up, how to like layer them and do all that stuff. Super easy. Bring you in there and you guys are going to see that. You're about to become a smarter rapper today. And you're going to learn all that right after the intro.
And sometimes I get so low, looking at my life like where did it go? No. And sometimes I just don't know, just a day at a time, and I'm taking it slow. No.
What's up, y'all? Here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to show you guys how to do ad-libs. I'm also going to show you how to do voiceovers in a separate video, but right now we're going to focus on ad-libs and how to properly do ad-libs. And this is a song that's actually from 2013 for some reason. I was like, you know what, this would be a great example because it matches the tone and stuff like that. It's just an emotional song about being depressed and not knowing what you're doing with your life. Big song a lot of my fans absolutely love because, you know, it's extremely relatable. And there's some really great bars in it. So here are my ad-libs. Play these real quick and turn this up. Actually, fuck it. I'll just turn these up for you, which you should do anyways if you want to hear how they sound. So first, let's just listen to them real quick. Very simple. These are very small, very subtle ad-libs. Okay? Very simple.
Right.
Yeah. Very simple, but it fills it in though, okay?
Hate me.
Right? So you hear that. Now let me play it with the vocal track, even with this background noise.
Now, young man, so the hardest to protect. That's why my eyes are scarred more than any other flesh. It's some shit that I seen that done made me hate me. Thoughts I ran from that always chase me. People hate me and love me.
See how it just fills in those little holes? Okay, well, here's the thing. If you notice, it matches, like, it's like, yeah, it like has that same sad feeling to it. If you're doing a song that's more higher energy, where it's like, I be giving simply, you're like, yeah, like you do the high energy stuff as well. But in this circumstance, you can see it's a little sad, laid back, depressed kind of song, emotional. So you also want your ad-libs to do the same thing. And again, you hear it. Hate me. You know, I'm like sad when I'm doing this. You want to match. You want to match it. Now here's the little tidbits and the little secrets. Okay, and also there's more information if you watch when I make the voiceover one, which I'm gonna make next and release it separately. You're going to learn more tips about that. But for ad-libs, you just want to fill in the slots. And what I highly recommend is you do numerous takes of voiceovers. Do it. Okay, you just do lots of them. And you say, okay, which ones fit? So you're going to put them all on different tracks. So let's say that initially when I made this song, there were probably like a bunch of tracks of them, or maybe I got them on the first try. And you just go through and you just cut them out. Like, okay, I don't like this one, mute that one. Let me hear how the next one sounds. Okay, you know what? I don't like these. Let's replace those. Or you'll go through the whole thing and be like, I like all of them except for this one. And then you go back and you just fill in that spot, okay? Very simple for ad-libs. But again, it needs to match the feeling. So when you're going through the song, if it interrupts your flow, if it interrupts the way it sounds to the ear, you're doing too much in the ad-lib, it's too long, try a different ad-lib. And all you really need to do is do noises and stuff. Like you're filling it in. It's a timing thing and you'll get used to it. Like once again, watch. I'll keep these high so you can hear them, but I don't want the beat to be too loud either because I can't get it to go through the software. Sorry, guys. Here, play with this.
A young man, so the hardest to protect. That's why my eyes are scarred more than any other flesh. It's some shit that I seen that done made me hate me.
Turn these up a little bit more just so you can hear them, because I can't get the computer to kick with it.
Young man, so the hardest to protect. That's why my eyes are scarred more than any other flesh. It's some shit that I seen that done made me hate me. Thoughts I ran from that always chase me. People hate me and love me. And words need a match sometimes. It's that ugly, but I'm alive. Plus I got two meanings when I say that my father above me. Yeah. My insecurities make me plummet. Without my flow, I
so subtle.
And I won't lie, inside bottled up from it. I'm as empty as a supermodel.
It's emotional, just straight flat emotional. It's all you really need is just making sure that the ad-libs match, and you always go through and always add more ad-libs and cut them out. I've seen people just be like, no, that's good enough, but it's not, because the thing is that the ad-libs carry your song. It carries the flow in the background, and it's so subtle. But a great example is if you listen to the song Panda by Designer. That entire song is carried by his ad-libs. The beat, like the background noise, the yeah, you know, all those little things in the background that have heavy echoes on them are actually completely carrying the song along with the primary vocal. So tips again for doing this are just make sure that you do a bunch of them and then just cut them out. Say, I don't like that. And then after you have them and you already know which ones they are, do another track of them. And then as you can see here, I have them panned. Right? And because they're panned, it comes out. Panning means you push it in one speaker, you push it to the other speaker, you can push it a certain percentage, and it's where it sits inside of the sound spectrum. Okay, so with Adlibs, it depends on the song, it depends on how you want to mix it and everything. But typically, I'll take Adlibs and I'll push them all the way out, so they're sitting out here. And you can do two different ones, right? But they kind of match, but they're not identical. So you don't want to like copy them. You don't want to do this. And if you do copy them, make sure that you have them offset a little bit so that they don't hit at exactly the same time. Add a little bit of flavor. That's an option, but I actually recommend doing two different takes. You'll see here, sometimes I didn't say the same thing. Okay, watch. So what's this say here? Yeah. I said yeah, and this one said hate me, but they're in different speakers. Hate me. So it blended well. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for something that blends, that doesn't interrupt the main vocal in the song, that carries it through. Okay? And if it's an energetic song, again, energy. If it's a low energy song, do low energy. Make sure it matches. Or you can try to do a contrast where it's like low energy and then super high energy. And it, but think about it right here. If I was doing this, I mean, it could. It just depends on your style too. So it's about being creative. But let's see. We'll listen to this.
Young Mind.
Okay, watch. If I'm talking Young Mind song. So
now, young mind, so the hardest to protect.
Yeah.
Why my eyes are scarred more than any other flesh.
Right.
Some shit that I seen that done made me hate.
Hate me.
Thoughts I ran from that always chase me. People hate me and love
me.
And their words need a mask sometimes. Gets that ugly.
Woo. Let's see, but see, like it doesn't match the way the song feels, so it's better to match the feel of it. But I was giving you an example. It's that easy to do ad-libs. And lastly, on a last note, is you don't always need ad-libs, okay? Sometimes throwing ad-libs in a song will actually take away from the energy and delivery of the song the way that it already is. You don't always need ad-libs. So always say, let me try ad-libs, see how they sound, but if they don't go there, let's take them out. Okay, always give that a shot. All right, you just became a smarter rapper. I'm going to do the voiceover video and also show you guys not only voiceovers but some little tricks to thickening up your vocals, especially if you don't have an expensive if you don't have an expensive microphone. You know, you want to thicken up your vocals. I'm going to show you guys how to do that with the voiceovers. I'm going to show you how to do different voiceovers and when to hit on the voiceovers to get it more give it more flavor and make your vocals pop. And this is like 10 years of me learning how to do this. And this section is 4 years old, so I know way more than I knew when I made this song. That's for fucking sure. I mean, look at it. I didn't even fade a lot of these files, which I would always do now just out of like habit, you know. But save that. Either way, so you just became a smarter rapper. Hit me with a like, hit me with a subscribe, and hit me with a comment. Hit me with your 4 bars of the day. And then I'm going to see you guys again tomorrow. I'll release a video on voiceovers, or sometime this week I'll release a video on how to do the voiceovers, and I'll also show you how to do add some more flavor to your tracks. We're going to go into that, all right? So go ahead and hit one of these, check out one of these new videos. Actually, I'm down here, so it's going to be like way up there. There's going to be the new videos. And check those out. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Hope these are helping. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. Make sure to subscribe to my other channel as well. Almost 100,000 subscribers on there. And yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow.